Hey, welcome to Unit 8 Learning Outcome. I can multiply polynomials. So, quick review here. When we multiply polynomials, know that if the bases are the same, we add those exponents. So, for example, when we multiply x to the third times x to the fourth, the base is x, and we get x to the, 3 plus 4 is 7. So when we multiply polynomials, the exponents do change. Hey, we saw this problem on those worksheets in class. So remember, this is n times this whole thing, not each part. This is one monomial. So we have like 2 times m to the second times n to the third times n. Like this whole thing is all being multiplied together. So remember the exponent, if you don't see one, is n to the first. So then we would get 2m to the second, and then we'd add those exponents on the n and get n to the fourth. Okay, quick review, quick recap, then let's see how this applies to polynomials. So, big important thing, when multiplying with polynomials, you have to distribute to every term. Hey, this multiplies by each term. So there's two ways to do this. I'm going to show you two approaches. One, you could just draw those arrows and write 2y times 3y plus 2y times, hey, that 8 has that negative, so we're going to write negative 8. Okay, so we multiply. Okay, 2y times 3y, that's going to give us 6y. This has an exponent of 1 and an exponent of 1 to the second plus 8y times negative 8, or 2y times negative 8, negative 16y. Okay, do we have any like terms we can add together? No. So we're done. So that's one approach, drawing those arrows and then rewriting it that way. The other approach I'm going to show you is something called like a grid, or the box method, or the array. So what we are multiplying is this 2x to the third. That goes right out in front. If you had more things, you'd put more rows, but we don't. So then we're multiplying by each term. So those are going to go at the top. X to the third, one term. 3x to the second, another term. Okay, be careful. This term is negative 2x, and our last term is 5. So it's the same process as the first method. It's just in this method you can see the different parts that you're multiplying. Okay, so what do we get when we multiply 2x to the third times x to the third? 2 times 1 is 2, and x to the, we'd add those and get 6th. 2x to the third times 3x to the second is going to be 6x to the, add those exponents, 5th. 2x to the third times negative 2x is going to be negative 4x to the fourth, and 2x to the third times 5 is 10x to the third. And then it's just a matter of bringing down your answer. Again, if you had like terms, you'd want to add those, but our final answer is 2x to the sixth plus 6x to the fifth minus 4x to the fourth plus 10x to the third. So we are bringing back those laws of exponents skills. It's going to be really, really important carrying forward with multiplying. All right, bring any questions you have to class, and I will see you in class. Thanks.